Hi, it's Kevin Greeno from Blum Canada. I'm here to talk to you about the new REVEGO systems, both the REVEGO Duo and the Uno as you're familiar with. What we've done is we've made some improvements along the way to allow us to compress it now, to allow it to also apply to countertop applications. So what I'm going to talk to you in the video today about is I'm going to talk about the planning of it through the eServices by Blum application. We're going to talk about the manufacturing. I'm going to go through step by step, as well as the unboxing of all the parts so you know what's in those boxes so we don't forget any as we're doing the installation through the manufacturing process. We're also going to show you how to install them in the application, and then we're going to show you some of the fine adjustments. But first, let me show you some of the little details that we've improved upon in our display at our showroom here in Mississauga. So I'm going to open up the Uno, show you that nothing has changed. It's a tip-on applicated. We're going to slide it into the pocket. And we have the REVEGO Duo. And I'm going to open it up and put it in the pocket. So if we look over here, we can see that in the drawer system here, we've got some of the unique parts that are available. So here we've got, as you can see, a very short application of the hinge bracket and the chassis assembly. So you can see it's hugely reduced. We also come up with the Duo application. We've improved the application of the two hinges. So where we used to lift both doors in the application, now we can actually assemble the doors separately and install them separately and connect them together. So we also show you some of the service interfaces. So over here we've got the new service interface. When we had to make any adjustments for depth of pocket, we used to have to take the tip-on return mechanism off, attach it, and then put it back together. Now we just slide out the tip-on application system, make the cut as we need, as indicated in the eServices platform, and screw it back together. Very, very easy to do now. We've updated the Blue Motion device that's inside the cabinet, so it's easy to work with. And instead of having a little detent tab on the Duo and a knurled knob on the single Uno, we now have these quick release mechanisms that lock the chassis and frame together. We also allow us now with what I said about the countertop application, we have two ways of doing it: embedding it into a countertop or sitting it flush on top of the countertop. We're going to show you those applications, and through the design process also show you where to choose and where not to choose. So what we're going to do now is we're going to follow up and look through our eServices platform.